As I told you guys in a previous video that I made, we are going to be taking tests a little bit differently in chemistry than you probably do in other classes. Even though most of the material is right there in Connexus, including quizzes and quick checks, we are not going to take the tests in chemistry in Connexus. So this video is to give you the step-by-step instructions on how to take those tests in what is called Google Forms if you haven't used that before. The first step that you need to take is once you've clicked on that test, that unit test in Connexus, do not start the assessment. You want to go down to the icon at the bottom that looks like an eraser where you see that red arrow pointing down at the bottom. Hopefully at this point you've been checking each of your modifications before every lesson. Click on that teacher modification icon and another window will pop up after. Next, it's going to pop up another window. In that window, you're going to see a message from me. It says, do not take the test in Connexus. Click on the link for your Unit 1 test, and this will be for all units in chemistry. There will be a link provided, so step 2 is to click on that link. Step 3, complete the unit test in that Google form that pops up. Okay, the first one looks like the picture that you see there on the screen, but you're going to complete that form, and at the bottom there's a blue button that says submit. I want you to click submit when you are finished, and then step 4, you are going to go back to Connexus where that test was, and you are going to start that assessment. What I want you to do is submit a blank test in Connexus. Sometimes it won't let you do that, so just pick one random answer to a question and submit that test blank. Step 5, after you've submitted that blank test, you may go ahead and mark that lesson complete and move on to the next lesson. That way you don't have to wait on me to put the grade in, but I will do that as soon as possible. Okay, as soon as you submit that blank test, that is a clue to me that I need to go and grade that Google form. I will grade your Google form, put your grade in to the grade book as a custom assessment, and I'll drop that Connexus grade. Okay, I'll drop that blank test. It's so very important that you follow these steps in that particular order, because red alert, if you do not follow the steps in the order that I've given to you. For example, let's say you submit a blank Connexus test before you take that Google form. If I go in and grade that Google form and it's not there, you're going to have a 0 in the grade book, which, ouch, can really hurt your grade. So make sure you follow those instructions in the order that I've given you. And as usual, let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns.